It's way better than KFC. After making it this way, you won't want chicken any other way. Here I'm using 2 chicken breasts. I'll cut them into smaller strips. Once that's done, we'll transfer to a bowl. Next, we're going to crack an egg. We'll squeeze the juice of half a lemon. I'll also add 4 crushed garlic cloves. A bit of black pepper, some smoked or sweet paprika, salt to taste. Now let's mix it all well. We'll let it marinate for about 30 minutes. In another bowl, add flour or cornstarch. I'm using cornstarch, but flour works better. Add salt, pepper, oregano, and smoked paprika. Then mix everything thoroughly. Let's add our chicken pieces. Cover and shake it really well. If you don't have a pan, folks, you can also use a plastic container. After that, just remove some of the excess flour or cornstarch. Then we'll fry it in hot oil. Check it out, everyone. This fried chicken looks incredible. It's super quick, easy, and delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That was another quick dish from our budget-friendly kitchen. Big hugs. See you next time, and thanks.